right, guys, this is Dr. Griffin, and he is in Florence, Alabama. Love Florence. It's the quintessential American town. And we just did Hygiene Explosion today. So, Dr. Griffin, how you feeling about what you heard, where you going, your team, all of that?
I guess that, the word is life-changing, professionally and really personally, because what I love about TTI is that they are with you from top to bottom. They're with you throughout this. They will coach you. They will train you. They will provide you with every possible tool that you could need. I already have a group of 5-star team members, but what we didn't have was the training to know how to be the best versions of ourselves. And that's what Bird has shown us today, particularly with the Hygiene Explosion, because, our patients love us, but I don't think we were loving them in the best way that we could, because we weren't providing them with the best possible options to make them the best versions of themselves from a health perspective. Mm-hmm. And Bird has shown us that today. We now know that to be the best advocates for our patients, we have to be able to talk to them about every possible option and let the patient then make the informed decision. We get them there and then say, okay, we've educated you. What are you going to do about it?
Yeah.
And now that we know how to do that, I believe that our patients' acceptance rate is going to go up. I believe that our production is going to go up, and I believe then we'll be able to provide even more services for our patients.
Sounds like you have a lot of hope.
I have more hope than I have ever had in 15 years of practicing dentistry.
Love that. Okay, good. Well, I can't wait to see what happens.
It's going to be the best.
It's going to be the best.